Welcome everyone. Today our discussion is managing crop growth in greenhouse environments. Inside a greenhouse, nothing is left to chance. Every degree of temperature, every drop of water, every ray of light is deliberately controlled to grow the healthiest crop possible, regardless of what's happening outside. In this video, we'll walk through exactly how growers manage crop growth in a greenhouse environment, from the air they breathe to the roots beneath the surface. Next slide is temperature and humidity control. Temperature and humidity are the two most critical variables inside any greenhouse. Heating systems keep crops warm during cold periods, while cooling methods like pad and fan systems or shading nets prevent heat stress in summer. Humidity has to be balanced carefully too. Too high and you invite fungal disease. Too low and plants wilt and pollination suffers. Ventilation and fogging systems work together to keep both in their ideal range. Then we see about light and cold enrichment. Light drives photosynthesis. So when natural sunlight isn't enough, especially in winter or at higher latitudes, LED or HPS grow light step in. Photoperiod control can even trigger flowering in light sensitive crops. Alongside light, soil enrichment plays a major role. Ambient cold levels are often below what plants can fully use. So enriching the air to 800 to 1000 parts per million can significantly boost yields, particularly in sealed or semi-closed greenhouses. Growing medium and root zone below the surface, root zone management matters just as much as the air above it. Growers choose between traditional soil and soilless media like coco coir, rock wool, or perlite, each offering different control over moisture and aeration. Root zone temperature, moisture levels, and electrical conductivity are monitored closely because good drainage and aeration are what stand between healthy roots and root rot. Next one is irrigation and fertigation. Water and nutrients are delivered together through a process called fertigation. Drip irrigation feeds water directly to the root zone with minimal waste, while nutrients, dissolved right into that water, are tailored to the crop's exact growth stage. Sensors continuously track soil moisture, pH, and nutrient concentration, automating the dosing so plants get precisely what they need exactly when they need it. Growth stage, specific management. Crop needs change dramatically as they grow. Seedlings need high humidity and gentle light to establish themselves. The vegetative stage calls for nitrogen rich feed to build strong leaves. As plants move into flowering, phosphorus and potassium take priority, along with support for pollination, and by the fruiting stage, potassium, heavy feeding, and careful water management shape the final quality of the harvest. Pest and disease management. Protecting the crop means staying ahead of pests and disease. Integrated pest management or IPM relies first on biological controls, beneficial insects like ladybugs and predatory mites, along with sticky traps for early detection. Physical barriers like insect screens on vents keep pests out from the start, and good sanitation practices like removing infected plant material quickly stop outbreaks before they spread. Pesticides are only ever the last resort. Automation, IoT, and closing. All of this comes together in a greenhouse management system. Sensors for temperature, humidity, cold, and soil moisture feed a central controller which automatically adjusts vents, heaters, fans, and irrigation valves in real time. Growers can monitor and intervene from anywhere using data to predict, not just react to, what their crops need next. This is the future of controlled environment agriculture, precise, responsive, and built to grow more with less. Thanks for watching.